Hey everyone, my name is Edward, and today I'll be introducing you to ML at SJSU, San Jose State University's Machine Learning Club. Although our club is focused on the technical side, you're totally welcome to join this club with no prior experience. We'll guide you on your path to learn machine learning no matter where you currently are in your journey. By joining, you can both attend and lead machine learning workshops, have discussion on our research papers, listen to workshops by guest speakers from both the industry and academia, and even work on machine learning projects with your fellow members. Our website here shows some projects that our club is working on. Because of COVID, we plan on holding virtual meetings for this semester, including our info meeting, which is going to take place on Friday, September 11th, from 4 to 6 p.m. through Zoom. You can join the Zoom session by joining our Slack page, ml@sjsu.slack.com, which is where the Zoom link will be posted. For more information about our club, you can visit our website, ml@sjsu.club, or through the SAMI app, with our club being listed as machine learning. Thank you for watching. We hope to see you at our Slack channel soon.